Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn your Toro multi-force from mowing to mulching. The tools that you're going to need for this are going to be a 9/16 socket. You're also going to need a 9/16 and a 5/8 wrench. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up the hitch and I'm going to flip these hydraulic lines to the other side. Now that the lines are flipped, we're going to change this locking adapter out for the mulch bucket adapter. All you're going to need for this is your impact gun and a 9/16 socket. My tip for putting this on is always just put it on by hand, all 4 bolts, and then tighten it up with the impact gun. After mounting the mulch bucket adapter, we're just going to pull this pin out and get ready to put the bucket in. Now you got everything done on the mower side, you need to get your nearest buddy, come over, and help you put the bucket on. Sometimes it takes a little trial and error to get it lined up perfectly. It always helps to have that buddy making sure it lines up in this hole. You can't put it all the way back. It's got to be right in the middle, just like putting the trailer hitch in your truck. Now that I got the bucket attached, I'm going to flip it back, then I'm going to drop the hitch down, and I'm going to hook up the quick connect pin to the dump bracket. Now that everything's hooked up, I recommend you actuate it all the way down and all the way back up to make sure it's ready for work. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.